Welcome to Health Fit. How to safely get rid of nose hair. 1. Nose trimmers. Trimming nose hair is the safest and most accessible option for most people. Tiny scissors made just for this job are often included in grooming kits. These scissors should have rounded tips to prevent you from poking your skin and bleeding. 2. Waxing or plucking. In most cases, waxing or plucking nasal hair is not recommended. Pulling out individual hairs can lead to ingrown hairs and infection. Waxing, especially, could hurt the skin deep inside your nose. However, there is a nasal wax product on the market that has been designed to remove only the hair inside the edge of the nostril. Results can last up to 4 weeks. 3. Laser hair removal. Laser hair removal is a permanent treatment for unwanted hair all over the body. Laser treatment is controversial for nasal hair because it could hurt the mucous membranes inside the nasal cavity. A laser treatment for nose hair likely targets only the most visible hair right around the inside edge of the nostril. This makes nose hair less noticeable and prevents it from hanging out of the nose. Methods to avoid. Depilatory or hair removal cream is not recommended for use in the nasal cavity. Depilatories are very strong, and you risk inhaling toxic fumes and burning the mucous membranes inside your nose. Some natural products may exist that can thin out nasal hair, but read all product instructions very closely. Most depilatory cream labels indicate that they aren't safe for using on nose hair. Is it safe to remove nose hair? Depending on your method, trimming, thinning, and removing nasal hair can be safe, but you don't want to overdo it. Because nose hair serves an important function in your body, it shouldn't be altered too drastically. Nose hair keeps particles from entering your body, reducing allergies and infections. Nose hair also helps to add and retain moisture in the air you breathe. These benefits are especially important for anyone with allergies or asthma. Don't forget to subscribe and like this audio.